Ready for a change? These 20 shaggy layers will transform your look instantly. The ultra-textured razor shag. This highly textured cut is perfect for women over 50 with fine hair, who want to add maximum volume and a youthful bounce effortlessly. The Wispy Wolf Cut with bangs. An excellent choice for women with round faces, as the framing layers soften features while the bangs accentuate and brighten the eyes. The classic silver shag. Perfect for women embracing their natural silver, using Pixie, dynamic layers to prevent gray hair from looking flat or aged. The feathered Choppy Midi. Designed for thick-haired women over 40 who need to remove heavy bulk while maintaining a sleek, modern, and structured frame. The Voluminous Shaggy Bob. Suited for women wanting a short, low-maintenance look that retains high crown volume and lifts the facial contours naturally. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The Edgy Pixie Shag. A bold, modern option for women over 60 who want an energetic style that accentuates the cheekbones and sharpens jawlines. The long, soft-layered shag. Perfect for keeping length without the drag, using strategic layers to provide life, bounce, and movement throughout long hair. The Shoulder-Grazing curtain shag. An incredibly flattering cut that beautifully balances oval and heart-shaped faces by framing the eyes and forehead neatly. The messy textured lob shag. Ideal for women who love a effortless look, using undone texture to add contemporary, casual flair to everyday styling. The cropped razored mullet shag. A modern twist for trendy women over 50 who want to stand out with an artistic, high-fashion silhouette that frames the face. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The layered shag with micro bangs. Best for bold, mature women with oval faces who want to emphasize their brow line and open up their features beautifully. The wispy shaggy layers for thin hair. Specifically tailored to create an optical illusion of density and thickness for women experiencing age-related hair thinning. The Beachy waves long shag. A great option for women over 40 who prefer a laid-back, youthful summer aesthetic with lots of texture and bounce. The soft textured shaggy lob. Highly recommended for busy professionals who need an elegant, sophisticated style that easily transitions from work to evening. The asymmetric modern shag. Perfect for artistic women over 50 who want a distinctive, modern look that balances uneven or angular facial features. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The curly shag with voluminous fringe. An amazing option for naturally curly-haired mature women who want to define their curls while keeping a playful shape. The heavily layered straight shag. Ideal for women over 50 with pin-straight hair who struggle with flat roots, adding instant lift and a modern texture. The crown volume shaggy bob with side bangs. Highly flattering for women with square faces, as the soft side-swept bangs break up angular lines and soften the jaw. The modern shag with highlights. Great for adding dimension. The dimensional highlights work with the layers to create a multi-tonal effect that hides gray roots. The choppy collarbone shag. An effortless, everyday look for women over 40 that balances a youthful edge with clean, sophisticated symmetry. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.